Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I transform this wig into a pretty middle part platinum bob. So as you can see, it's a little yellow, so what I'm going to do is wet it, take some Shimmer Lights purple shampoo and put it all in through the hair. As I'm rubbing the shampoo through my hair, I'm going to make sure that I get it on the lace front because I want the lace front to be invisible as possible. Then I'm going to just comb the hair through with my fingers so it'll get through each and every strand. Now I'm going to wash it again with this Shea Moisture sulfate free shampoo. This is optional, you don't have to do this. I just wanted to make sure that I got all of the purple shampoo out. One of the best conditioners ever. I love it so much. I'm just gonna lather that all over the head, put a nice generous amount, and just rub that into the hair so it'll be nice and moisturized. I'm gonna glue down my wig cap using this Got To Be glue. This stuff is really good. I have the small bottle, but I'm gonna put that all over my head. And I actually didn't like how that turned out because you were really able to see the mark through the lace. So I actually pulled down my wig. You're gonna see it later in the other clips, but I pulled down my wig cap and I actually glued it over my hairline, and then I cut it, and yeah. Super fast. I did not like the demarcation of the wig cap. I glued all around my hairline, and all I'm going to do is cut that and get rid of it. Now that my wig cap is finally glued on my head, it's time to share my tip. I like to put on foundation over top of the wig cap so it'll look more like my skin and you won't really see pieces of the wig cap because it is a little more nuder and a little more tanner than my skin complexion. So now I'm gonna glue down my lace. This is actually the first time that I'm actually like gluing down my lace and gluing down my wig cap. I thought it'll be a better method being that the hair is blonde and my natural hair is black. So I'm taking the glue and spreading it with my comb or my finger, and I'm gonna lay that down. I'm going to carefully, like literally carefully put that down. It's going to stick like glue. So now I'm going to repeat the entire gluing process. I'm going to put some on my comb or my finger, spread that out, and then lay my frontal down, pressing it with my comb. Like I said, I'm honestly new at doing all of this stuff, so it doesn't turn out the best, but it still turns out nice, so I'm still happy. I'm your collars like this, bottles up like this, at the sky. Everybody, so this is what the hair turned out to be. I think it's super pretty, super natural looking, and I like how it like flips over. I actually turned it to the side and actually put it over my ears too, so that's a plus. I think this wig is very pretty and it holds up pretty well. It looks very natural, but I'm about to go put on a hat or a scarf or something, and I'll be back. I like it better. I know lighting is bad, but this is how the hair turned out to be. I just put on a scarf on my head because I feel more comfortable wearing a scarf. I'm not really a wig person. This hair is really nice. It still holds up well after I've washed it 2 times with conditioner with shampoo as well as conditioner, and I used a Shimmer Lights shampoo and a regular sulfate-free shampoo along with some really good conditioner. And this is how the hair turned out. It's just a really nice, pretty platinum color. I really recommend it. Be mindful, if you don't have the purple shampoo, your hair will turn out literally yellow 613. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.